So the customer really wanted the ski pole put back in, and so I'm not even sure how they thought this was going to work from the factory. So the base of the ski pole was that. So they just put that base right there, and there's nothing there. I mean, there's no backing, no wood, just about a quarter of an inch, about 3 layers of fiberglass, and it just went through the top here. And that piece is, you could tell, not very thick at all. And so you were pulling from the top of the ski pole way up here above the motor with the leverage until it decided it finally wanted to pull out. But that was a really bad idea, and I don't know how to put a ski pole on here except just pull from the ski eyes.